Ano ba to? Ayan, test. Ayun. So, ibig sabihin, nag-record lang siya kanina. Hindi siya naka-live. Nag-record lang siya kanina. Hindi siya naka-live. Nag-record lang siya kanina. Okay. I apologize for the people who are in now live. Nangyari, hindi ko na ano kanina eh kung nagra-run na dun sa streaming app ko pero hindi siya nagla-live pala. Right? Can I say pakitingnan nga. Okay, kasi dapat 8:30 pa to eh. Shoot. Sorry guys. Naka-live siya dun sa streaming app ko pero hindi siya kumonek sa YouTube. Unfortunately. Okay. So let me see.
Sige, coach.
Sige
Talk.
coach, thanks.
Sige, coach.
Alright, so tingnan nga natin. I hope you guys are with me now. Ayun. Kanina ayaw niyang magano eh. Hindi siya naka-live eh. Okay. So 30 minutes na ako nagsasalita saka ako na-realize yung YouTube mismo hindi siya naka-live. Ewan ko kung bakit pero nakalagay sa sa app ko, right? If you guys are aware of this app, this is the one I'm using. So nakalagay na siya doon, 'di ba? Pero hindi siya nag-appear sa YouTube. So I really apologize kung ngayon pa lang kayo nakakonect. Right? So tingnan natin anong nangyayari. Uy, wala ulit siya. Okay, could be the internet connection from my area. But anyway, sige. Um, let's test ulit ha. Tingnan ko lang kung baka mag-drop off. Baka sa internet connection. Anyway, edit na lang natin tong session later on. So, if you're watching this on later part, no, siguro, sorry, or later part, no, siguro, okay, may echo, may echo, Tinetest natin, hindi siya nag-live kanina. Tingnan natin dito. Tinetest ko siya ulit. I apologize kung kakapasok niyo pa lang dito ngayon at I'm about 45 minutes delayed from schedule. Sorry. Due to technical concerns. Kanina pa ako nagsasalita dun sa kabilang sa app. Hindi pala siya nadidelay yung pagla-live dun sa Facebook and sa YouTube at the same time. So but anyway, let's see. Meron pa naman tayong time to go and check and review the market now. Diba? Let me go and share to you guys now kung anong nangyayari dito. Right? Let's see. Let me share to you my primary monitor. Right? Primary monitor. Okay, there you go. So, earlier, okay, earlier na yun, no? Kanina ko pa siya inano. Pero, yeah, thank you for still jumping in with me now. Let's see kung anong nangyayari. So, we're on AUDUS now here, right? Sabi nga natin from last week, okay, from last week, last week ako ng last week. Wednesday, we were looking into price possibly either breaking through or reverse. Yeah. So 2 points of reversal here. Number one, tanggalin ko yung horizontal lines so we can start fresh here, right? Okay. So from here, another 1 point of reversal is this short-term floor level here. So another way to do that, to draw your horizontal line is through the line chart. Okay, so this is a point of reversal here. Dito, this is a point of a resistance as we call it, diba? So nasa resistance siya. So from Wednesday, this is the one that we're expecting. Now the price is moving in that direction. Okay? So another point, yung sabi ko, there are 2 points of reversal. Number one is the horizontal line. Number two, tanggalin ko tong horizontal line na to. Okay? Pag tinanggal ko yung horizontal line na yan, magiging, anong mangyari? Anong mangyayari sa kanya? Oops, sorry. Ito, magiging Fibonacci line siya dito. Magda-draw tayo ng Fibonacci line bouncing up the 61.8. So again, if you're aware or kung alam nyo na kung ano ibig sabihin ng Fibonacci, then mas maganda to rito, right? Na abangan at 61.8. Then true enough, the price have reversed. Okay? So ang question is ngayon if tutuloy ba si market, right? Tutuloy pa ba siya pababa? Okay? Tutuloy pa ba siya pababa? Magmo-move pa ba siya further? I would say kailangan natin abangan if magbe-break out si market dito sa floor level na to. Okay? So may panibago tayong floor level na aabangan. Yeah? So eto na yung price na yon. Ito dito banda. Okay? So pwede pa ba tayo mag-sell ngayon? Hindi ko na hahabulin yung sell eh. Right? Aabangan ko na to for mas maganda for next week na. Right? So for next week ko na siya abangan. Kung magse-sell man ako, kailangan ko yung price mas bumaba pa dito sa floor level na to. Right? So, itong floor level na to, okay, will be my point of, I would say, decision making kung magse-sell ako next week. So, probably on lower time frame, ang magiging itsura ng chart natin is parang ganito. Okay, so if you're using the same EMAs as I do, pwedeng ito naman yung short-term sell or sorry, movement ni market on a much faster time frame. Or short-term move kung tawagin din ng iba, no? So, ito pala yung short-term na ginagalaw niya. It was trying to move up, then trying to go down here. So, kung bababa man yan, selling level ko is somewhere here. So, below 70.89, as you can see it on my chart here, dun ko siya abangan ng pag-sell. Diba? Okay? So, from here, would I take for ang iba siguro probably thinking, can I take a short-term buy? I'll leave it to you guys kung gusto nyo. That's a decent 20 to like about 23, 24-ish pips kung susundin nyo to. Kung itong short-term na to ang susundan nyo. No? Pero ako, no muna. Antayin ko yung breakout from the daily chart. Tingnan natin kung magtuloy-tuloy yan next week on Monday. Then, saka ako maghanap ng stronger price action. Yeah. From this level. Okay? So, hey, thanks Sarah for letting me know. Hey, thanks Sarah for letting me know. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. There you go. I hope the audio is much better now. Okay. Okay. No. Okay. Good. Good. Thank you so much for that comment. Okay. So dito, sabi ko nga, I will wait for that breakout. I again, ideally want to see this downtrend continue for next week. Kaso nga lang, meron tayong floor level na kailangan makitang ma-break ni market muna. So, doon ko siya abangan. So, trading plan for next week, wait for the breakout. The earliest time or time frame that you can consider for the breakout would be the 1 hourly chart kasi may reversal na ng EMA dito. So, kung ito mag-proceed to by next week, then meron kayong decent downtrend dito to continue your sell. 'Di ba? Kung mag-reverse man siya, which is likely to happen as well tonight, right? Or next week, baka pwede siyang maging ganito. Right? Yung reversal na yan. Then, we are into to a buy next week. Yeah? Ang mangyayari naman dyan, kung mapapansin nyo, ang makikita natin dyan would be an inverse head and shoulder pattern kung yun man ang mangyari. Diba? So, for an inverse head and shoulder pattern, that's a very, very good pattern for buying as well. So, kung mangyari man yan, magbabay tayo somewhere dito. The earliest will be on this diagonal trend, diagonal resistance or the trend line. Or, kung medyo conservative ka, antayin mo magbe-breakout para tuloy-tuloy yung buy mo naman. Sorry, buy tayo. Yun naman yung next plan. So, from here, buy ka dito hanggang doon, then buy ka ulit papunta naman doon. So, titingnan natin to on Monday kung mangyayari ba yung ine-expect natin. Diba? Okay, so yan yung ating AUD-USD. Okay? Yan AUD-USD natin dyan. Then, moving on to Euro-US, which I have a pending order now on H4. Bakit tayo nagsaset ng pending order dyan? Tingnan natin ulit yung much bigger picture here. For me, usually I go in and check at least 3 to 6 months data dito. At least 3 months data will give you a reasonable view of what the market is doing. Pero pag kailangan mong further data, then just zoom out sa chart mo, diba? Or whatever chart you're using. I always suggest to look at the bigger picture and understand what's happening dun sa general market. Yeah. Or what's yung general market condition yung uunahin mo, right? So, from here, okay, ito yung analysis natin from Wednesday right? So, from Wednesday, ito yung anticipation natin for the price to go further down. Nga lang, ang nangyari, umakyat siya doon. So, buy na ba kagad yun? Sa akin, hindi pa. Kasi bakit? Wala pa naman tayong nakikitang uptrend dito diba? So, wala pa tayong nakikitang uptrend dyan. Pero, ang mas clear sa atin ngayon, tanggalin ko yung trend line para hindi kayo nalilito. Ang mas clear sa atin dyan ngayon, ito yung nagiging resistance. Right? So, nagiging resistance siya dyan. Okay, so ano bang ine-expect natin pag tumatama sa resistance? Then, reversal, tama? Okay. So, from reversal, dun tayo ngayon titingin if the market can really continue to go down. Okay? So, at least, bago pa natin i-trade yung pababa, ito muna dito, reversal. So, the earliest would be, ang ine-expect ko ngayon would be on the 4-hourly chart. Yeah. Kung mangyari tong bearish engulfing na to within this 4-hourly bar, right? Pwede ito yung maging catalyst or paumpisa nung move na ina-anticipate natin. Okay? Pwedeng mangyari yan. Ngayon, ang pwede natin gawin next, if not tonight, probably on Monday, right? Ang pwedeng mangyari dyan, lagyan ko ng diagonal line para kung ito yung ina-expect natin na mangyari, okay? Yung pink line na yan, right? Medyo maliit siguro sa screen nyo, zoom in ko ng konti, no? Ayan. Pag nangyari yung pink line na yan, ang expectation is for the price to move towards what direction? Dito sa baba, pag ganun. Pababa, diba? So, pag nangyari yan, ang magiging plan natin next week will be to continue selling on a much lower time frame. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, pag itong line na to, okay? Itong line na to, natupad to tonight. Okay? Ibig sabihin, pag itong line na to, ang anticipation natin is for the price to move further downwards na. Okay? Now, two things to look at. Number one, okay, pwede kayo maglagay ng trend line dyan. Number two, pwede nyong gamitan ng EMA pag nag-crossover yung mga EMAs nyo dito. So, depending on what type of EMAs or what setting of the EMAs you have sa 15-minute chart nyo. So, if you're using the same thing as I am, or pwede nyo yan i-check sa chart nyo later on. Okay? Kung parehas tayo ng setting. So, pag nag-crossover yan, then Ang anticipation natin is for the price to go down. So, pwede kayong mag-multiple trades ng sell doon. Yep, next week. Pero initially, ang gusto mong abangan muna is yung eto, pag nag-materialize yung bearish engulfing mo sa H4 chart, which I have a pending order now already. Kung mapapansin nyo, my entry price is somewhere here, then the stop loss is somewhere here, right? So, entry natin is nandito. Just few pips from the previous bar, then stop loss is few pips above the current bar. Okay? So, pag nag-expire yung 4-hour bar natin, then re-reassess ko na lang yung position ko later on. Okay? So, that's my Euro USD analysis. Let's move on to GBP USD, which is becoming a symmetrical triangle now, right? Nagiging symmetrical triangle siya, then we are seeing a little bit of a resistance here from the previous floor. Yeah, kung titingnan mo siya, this is a floor level from August last year, right? July to August. Yan. Floor level siya dan. Pero nagiging ceiling siya sa atin today, right? So yung downtrend natin from Wednesday na na-anticipate natin mag-continue, yeah, dito, ni-expect natin mag-continue pa siya. Hindi na nangyayari, nag-reverse na talaga siya, right? Kala natin to short-term pullback lang dito, pero nawawala na. So kung maglalagay ka ng isang diagonal line dito, isang diagonal line dito, nagiging symmetrical or potentially magiging symmetrical triangle siya. So for you guys who are familiar with symmetrical triangle, alam nyo naman na that's a sign of indecision in the market. So might as well trade the breakout. Aabangan nyo na lang yung breakout na yon. Okay? Kung yun yung ano nyo. Pero short-term traders, pwede nyo naman i-take advantage tong little room na to. Ang ibig sabihin, dito lang kayo sa loob na to magte-trade. Anong ibig ko sabihin doon? From the ceiling towards the floor, towards the ceiling. Kung mag-i-stay siya hanggang lumit yung movement ni market. So, pa-short term yung mga possession niya. Okay? Then, saka nyo naaabangan yung breakout. For me personally, will I trade it tonight? Tingnan natin sa H4 chart. Though it's moving down, I don't see an entry level now. That's a beautiful bar right there, a continuation bar. Yeah. One thing I can advise everyone is, pag meron kayo nakakita ganito, ang usual reaction kasi is hahabulin. Okay? Wag nyo na habulin. Right? Wag nyo na habulin. Hanap kayo ng mas magandang level to get in. So, mine is usually my 15-minute chart pag may nakikita akong ganyan. So, possibly tonight, kung mapapansin nyo, gumalaw na siya. Nagmo-move na to eh. So, concept pa rin ng cycles, waves, right? Extension and the pullback. So, pwede nyo pa rin gamitin yung konsepto na yun. So, anong ibig sabihin? Huwag nyo nang habulin to. Abangan nyo na lang siya mag-pullback. Then, saka tayo pumasok ulit. Right? Kung magko-continue man siya ng ganitong move. Right? So, how would you know? Ganda sana. Pero, tingnan natin. Tingnan natin kung makakapasok pa tayo mamaya. Right, yun. Tinetest niya na yung full extension at 127.2. Pwede pa yung mas bumaba sa 161.8. Tapos, okay, if you want to be a little aggressive, baka somewhere here, anticipate nyo yung pullback dito, so magbabay kayo somewhere here. Saka kayo magsesell. Right, medyo a little aggressive, pero kung kaya naman ng puso nyo yun, din pwede nyo gawin yun. If you're familiar with the Fibonacci levels, you can use this. Okay, the price will be somewhere at 1.3501. Will be the level where we would anticipate for the price to go up, diba? Pero pag hindi nangyari yan, then walang problema, magtutuloy-tuloy man siya. Pero ako, hindi na ako papasok dito, masyado nang malaki yung move ni market. Kung mapapansin nyo, hindi siya usual, right? Hindi siya yun yung average size ng bar, diba? Hindi siya yung average size ng bar. Pansinin nyo ito, masyadong tumaas, afterwards bumaba din siya. So ito yung anticipate natin. Yeah, yung magkakasunod na malalaking bar, right? Abangan natin yung reversal nun, tapos pasok tayo ulit. So, kung mangyaring ganyan ang makita natin mamaya, ang pwede nyong maging entry level naman. Sabihin natin, sandali ha. Sorry, balik ko yung Fibonacci line natin dito. Okay. So yung Fibonacci line natin dito, I will recreate another one. Palitan natin yung color para mas ma-identify natin which one is which. Okay? So yung purple or yung pink, will be the extension, diba? So hanap tayo ng gawin natin siyang green para kita kagad, or yung line. Okay? So yung line is, kung ito yung magiging full extension niya, sabihin natin at 61.8. So yung line
full extension
is kung ito yung
Okay.
magiging full extension.
Ang level to sell naman, pag ito bumaba, tumama dito. Okay? Ang in-expect natin, papunta rito.
Pag ito bumaba,
Yan.
tumama dito.
1.35, 53 or 1.3545. Somewhere at that level, saka tayo magsa-sell ulit. Right? Kung gagamitan mo siya ng fib. So, hopefully, pag nangyari yan, makikita mo rin tong orange na to. Itong orange na to, magmo-move din to towards the ganyan direction. So, somewhere here will be your sell level. Diba? So, yun yung level for you to go and go and sell. Right? So, yun yung gagawin ko. If I have the time to monitor this tonight. Diba? I have the time to monitor this tonight. So, tingnan natin. Tingnan natin kung ang ganda sana ng drop nyo. From this right here, it's already dropping by 50 pips. Yeah, for you guys who are selling GBP USD, good job. Okay, so ako, I'm waiting for a pullback, then we sell again. Okay, probably some sell na, right? Probably Euro USD is doing the same. Pa-trigger na rin tayo dyan, right? Konting-konti na lang. Right? So kung magko-continue man siya, yun, naging engulfing na siya. Right? Kung mapapansin nyo, nag-engulf na siya dun sa previous, or in-engulf niya na yung previous bar. So expectation na lang is the continuation. So tingnan natin kung mangyayari. Bibigay naman. Yun, triggered na tayo. If the price goes much lower, then we're making pips already there. Then, good job. Yung GBP USD, wala akong makitang entry level So, ayoko na siyang habulin. Okay? USD CHF, since we're seeing, right, AUD USD, Euro USD, GBP USD going down, right? You know, bumaba na din, ang laki din ng drop ng AUD USD, right? Yung breakout na ine-expect natin, nangyayari na. So, ibig sabihin, may chance na mag-pullback ito, saka tayo mag-sell ulit, right? Pero napakaganda ng drop. Okay, anyway, that's happening towards, because we're in the US session actually, right? Ano ba yung ina-anticipate natin tonight for the US session? Okay, there are a couple of things. Ano ba yung ina-anticipate natin tonight for the US session? Wait, yeah. Oh, shoot. Diba? Dollar is performing well, right? The dollar is performing well on this non-farm payroll review, right? So this is the first Friday of the month, right? Medyo gumaganda yung move ng dollar, right? Look at that breakout from USD CAD as well. So earlier I had this analysis to watch out for this horizontal line here on the daily chart, and the price is now really going for it. So tingnan natin kung mas may better picture pa tayo. Okay? Right? Dollar yen is moving up there towards the ceiling as well. So USD CHF, nasa GBP USD tayo. Tingnan natin kung magtuloy-tuloy ito. Ang ayaw mo kasi mangyari, masyado kang ma-excite kasi dahil dito sa malaking bar na to. Right? Palitan ko yung color ha. Na-excite ka dahil masyado malaki itong bar na to. Nag-sell ka kaagad dito, entry ka dyan. Tapos biglang magpo-pullback na siya, right? Maganda kung magtuloy-tuloy, sarap lang, 'di ba? Pero dahil na late ka na, suggestion ko is wag mo na siyang habulin, hayaan mo na siya mag-reverse ulit, right? Mag-pull back, then saka ka pumasok ulit. Yun yung gagawin natin. So, if you have time tonight, pwede nyo siyang i-monitor, 'di ba? Pwede siyang i-monitor diyan. Kung magtutuloy-tuloy man siya. Okay? Alright, so from here, yun, pullback ang aabangan ko. USD CHF, pwede ba tayong pumasok? Kaka-breakout niya lang doon. Tingnan natin. Kaka-breakout niya pa lang dyan. Pwede pa ba tayong pumasok? Tingnan natin yung 15-minute chart natin. Oops. Hindi pa ako confident na pumasok agad. Pansinin nyo, isang bar pa lang to. Yeah, isang bar pa lang to above that horizontal line. You don't want to be in too early, baka mag-pullback yan talo. Tapos saka mag-move up, 'di ba? So, antayin natin yung confirmation ng breakout saka tayo pumasok. So, ano ba yung sinasabi ng confirmation ng breakout? Ito. Antayin natin yung confirmation. Linisin ko yung chart ha. Linisin ko lang yung chart na mabilis para maintindihan natin kung ano yung sinasabi kong breakout, okay? USD CHF, if you look at this, generally naka-sideways yan eh. Yung lines, magla-line studies tayo yan, or line chart. Okay? Generally, kung mapapansin nyo, na sideways lang siya eh. Pero meron siyang tawagin natin short-term resistance dito. Okay? Or parang another line dito sa gitna. Right? Like a median or something. Yeah? Tingnan natin. Okay. Pansinin nyo na nagre-reverse siya dito mas madalas. Okay. Paiksiin na lang natin. Eto. Pansinin nyo na lang. Dito, reverse. Dito, reverse. Diba? Doon tumuloy siya. Ngayon, tinetest niya na naman to. So, pwedeng mag-reverse to dito. Tama? So, sorry, excuse me. Ang ibig ko sabihin kanina is, kung susundan natin tong level na to, papunta pa lang siya dun eh. So, kung magbabay ka ngayon, malapit ka na dun sa pinaka, or at least sa short-term ceiling niya, diba? So, maliit lang yung room mo for buying. Okay? So, yun yung sinasabi kong, antayin natin yung breakout. Pag nag-breakout yan, mas malaki yung room ng buy mo doon, 'di ba? Mas marami siya or mas malaki yung room na pwede kang mag-buy doon. Pag dito medyo alanganin, 'di ba? So kung ang tanong mo is pwede pa ba ako diyan? Pwede pa ba ako mag-buy diyan? Doon ako nag-aalangan. Medyo hindi pa ako papasok diyan agad-agad. Just ko lang to ng konti kasi originally ang line ko nandito kung naalala ko. Hindi pa ako papasok diyan agad-agad. Just ko lang to ng konti kasi originally ang line ko nandito kung naalala ko. Totally, nagiging OC lang po ng kaunti. Right? Yan, ito yung line. Yan, ito kasi yung line na, ito yung point, I mean. Okay, mas conservative tayo, mas maaga. Diba? So, ito yung point, yan, doon. So, nagbe-breakout siya dyan. So, ayoko munang maging too early doon sa position. Pansin nyo, ito yung line natin kanina. Right? Kasi baka biglang bumaba saka umakyat. So, abangan ko muna yung pagbaba bago siya umakyat. Right? Medyo na late na tayo dun sa pagpasok natin na yun eh. Diba? So, or kung ngayon tayo papasok, medyo na late na tayo dun. But anyway, non-farm payroll is a very good high impact news to watch out every first Friday of the month, right? Look at that big bar right there, influenced by the non-farm payroll. Sige. Gawin nating schedule na lagi nating aabangan yung non-farm payroll na yan every month, right? Lalagay natin sa calendar natin yan. Okay? So, USD CAD, again, moving on to what is the dollar doing, okay? In terms of USD CAD, still, it's testing the ceiling, okay? So, testing the ceiling pa rin siya dito. Kung mapapansin nyo, balik lang ako sa line chart, right? Kung gusto nyo maging conservative, bago pa man itong bar ngayon, 1, 2, 3, 4, somewhere here will be your ceiling. So, yan yung tinetest niya ngayon kung kaya niyang i-break out. So, well, look at that rejection right there. So, medyo nag-aalangan din siya. Okay, so baka pababa din to. Tingnan natin kung anong mangyayari kay USD CAD. So, ito yung sinasabi kong, hindi ibig sabihin may nakikita kayong malaking bar, tutuloy-tuloy na si market hanggang sa anong level nyo gusto. Right? In most cases, after an oversized bar is a correction. Diba? Nagpo-pull back yan eh. May konting correction. So, abangan natin si market kung ano. Para sa akin, pag nasa ceiling na si price, more often than not, I will look for a sell. And the next option is for the breakout. Right? Pag nasa ceiling na siya. Towards the opposite direction, pag nasa floor naman siya, right? Tawag dito, pag nasa floor naman siya, ang ina-expect natin ngayon will be the reversal, which is a buy. Doon tayo ngayon mag-aabang ng buy. Diba? So, pag ganun naman, right? Kung sabihin mo, hindi ako comfortable sa ceiling and floor. Okay lang naman yun, wala namang pilitan. Diba? So, baka gusto mong abangan naman yung breakout from the floor. At least meron kang level of or a level where you would like to monitor kung ano pa yung pwedeng gawin ni market, diba? Hindi yung basta-basta lang na, malaking bar. Yeah, a bullish bar, buy ka kagad. Bearish bar, sell ka agad. Tingnan mo muna yung general market condition para mas confident ka dun sa position mo. Yeah, I hope that makes sense. Right? So, ngayon, pansinin nyo, malaking move doon, tapos humihina siya dito pagdating sa ceiling. Ito yung sinasabi kong, antayin natin yung breakout para mas magkaroon tayo ng confidence, diba? Doon na lang, confidence if we really want to continue the buy or the sell. In this case, kung nahuli nyo itong malaking move na to, this is about, yung buong stretch will be about 70 pips. So, kung bumababa na siya ngayon, so you're making about 50 to 55 pips, at least still reasonable, diba? Okay? So, can I jump in on it right now? No, not yet. Okay? So, medyo na late na, actually, diba? Nung kaninang malayo pa sa ceiling, pwede pa sana, diba? Okay, next is dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen. Okay. Next is dollar yen. Obviously, hindi ko maintindihan kung saan niya gustong pumunta. Right? I was anticipating for the early head and shoulder pattern here. It did not happen. Umakit na naman siya ulit. Then bumaba. I was thinking it could be an uptrend already, pero hindi naman siya tumuloy dito ng breakout kasi meron na siyang panibagong high. Bumaba siya dito. Then you have a double bottom here. Now I don't know where the market wants to go. The easiest way to interpret this is I'm seeing indecision on the dollar yen, right? A symmetrical triangle. Again, sabi ko nga, kung familiar na kayo sa pattern na to, alam nyo na a symmetrical triangle, right, shows indecision in the market. Kahit yung general market view is not clear, di ba? Undecisive. Right, kung saan niya gustong pumunta. Pero again, sa mga medyo a little aggressive, baka gusto nyong i-take advantage tong little room dito as the price goes and fill this symmetrical triangle here. Conservatively, you might want to wait for the breakout. Yeah, yung breakout yung inaabangan mo ngayon. Conservatively, 'di ba? Alright, yung breakout na yung aabangan mo dito. Okay? So far dollar is doing well after the non-farm payroll, or sorry, when the US Open happened, 'di ba? So, and it's first Friday. Yep, that definitely big factors in non-farm payroll on the dollar's move tonight. So let's say AUD US is dropping, Euro US. We are a couple of pips in profit right here. Dito yung entry price natin. Hindi pa siya nagpo-push further, right? Pero kung bababa pa yan, then mas maganda, di ba? I'm in on this for at least $1 per pip, right? Conservatively. Sa lot sizing nyo, I would suggest for you to ask yourself how much you want to risk per trade. Ano ba yung risk appetite nyo? There are certain percentage that you can follow. Some goes for 2, 3, 5%, 10% per trade, right? If you don't know what to do, maraming materials online to learn how to manage your account or how to compute for your trade position or lot sizing. I would suggest ganito ang gawin nyo. Kung hindi nyo naintindihan kung ano man yung binasa nyo or napanood nyo, might as well ask someone, right? Might as well ask someone for clarification or whatnot, okay? Now, my good news for everyone is this. When I did a live session on Wednesday, honestly, this is just like my second time doing this. Kung mapapansin nyo, originally, yung schedule natin is 8:30. So, kanina, hindi ko maintindihan kung ano nangyari. Yung aking stream app, right? I'll share to you what I'm using. This is the stream app I'm using. So, OBS. So, naka-live na ako dito since kanina pang 8:30. Diba? Kung mapapansin nyo to dito, ganyan. Pero nangyari, hindi siya lumalabas dun sa YouTube account. Hindi rin siya lumalabas dun sa Facebook. So, hindi ko alam kung ano nangyayari. So, nagto-troubleshoot pa ako. Inabot akong 30 minutes pahigit. Right? So, I apologize kung delayed yung session natin. Pero I hope you guys have learned something from what I have talked about tonight. Okay? Again, my personal apologies. Nagkaroon tayo ng konting technical issue. Right? I believe it is simply because of my internet connection. Yun yung nakikita ko. Hindi nag-sync kagad yung OBS app ko dun sa platforms, I mean, like the social media accounts. But anyway, we'll have more sessions like this. Mas marami pa tayong gagawin na session na ganito para mas ma-improve din natin yung ako personally, yung equipment na ginagamit ko din. If you have a suggestion on what I should use as a stream app, I would greatly appreciate it so we can improve these sessions, right? And also, yung isa kong sasabihin sa inyo, good news about training materials or whatnot. I will do my best to gather all the training materials I have acquired for the last 6, 7, I think, years that I'm learning how to trade the currency market. And I would love to share all these things, all these knowledge that I have on my Facebook page, as suggested by a friend. Yes, shout out po kay Sir Benjo, who suggested na mas maganda if I have a separate page, right? So I have created one already. So my good news for everyone is that's where I'll be posting all my trade ideas, these announcements and everything, including whatever material I can still fine na ginamit ko throughout my journey learning how to trade the currency market. So I would love to share everything to you guys through that Facebook page and through this YouTube channel as well. So I hope you guys can support this page, this channel, right? By tuning in to our next materials. All right? So that's it for me tonight, guys. Again, my personal apologies. Medyo na-delay tayo ng broadcast. Pero again, it's a learning process. This is just my second session with you. Standby tayo dun sa sa Facebook page natin. I will let you guys know when it will be active. I created one already. Papublish na lang natin. Right? So, let me know of your thoughts. If you learned something from me tonight, let me know of suggestions. Kung ano yung gusto nyong pag-usapan next session natin. If you want me to create a separate video for a specific topic, or you want me to talk about one thing only for one day or one session, let me know as well, right? The comment section will be very, very helpful for me, yeah, knowing that you're there telling me what you want, right? Para yun ang gagawin ko, right? As scheduled, ang ginawa kong schedule for myself, I'll be doing this session Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. If my schedule permits or allows me to have more sessions like this, then I would. Okay? Again, much appreciated yung effort nyo to come in live with me. Or if you're watching this later tonight, or you're watching this siguro over the weekend to help you out on your next week's market session, then thank you so much for spending your time going through this material. Again, your comment is much appreciated or highly appreciated. Okay, so enough for me on this one. You please, guys, have a wonderful weekend ahead of you. Right, for the people who were able to take advantage of that quick non-farm payroll move from the dollar. Yeah, my euro US is still moving in that direction. We're still in profit by a couple of pips, hoping that the price will still go in our favor. Right, so guys, from me to you, thank you so much for spending your time with me tonight, and as always, trade safely, right? And please plan your trades. At pag hindi alam, wala pong masamang magtanong. Alright? Wonderful. You may have a pitful week ahead of you next week, yeah? But please enjoy your weekend first. I'll see you in the next session. Bye-bye, everyone. Next week. Thanks. But please enjoy your weekend first. I'll see you in the next session.